Time to get serious. Time to get serious!
Let's play. Choose the conjunction you think completes each sentence.
Complete the mission.
It is raining today. We will stay inside. Which one of the fanboys do you think is the answer? Decide now. Time is up, and the answer is so. It is raining today, so we will stay inside. Would you rather eat the yogurt, the ice cream? Which one of the fanboys completes the sentence? Time's up, and the answer is or. Would you rather eat the yogurt or the ice cream? I reclined the sofa chair, turned on the TV set, started to browse the channels. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Which one is the answer? Time's going. Time is up. And the answer is and. The answer is and. The weather is lovely. We decided to go to the beach. Time is up, and the answer is so. The weather is lovely, so we decided to go to the beach. We don't have much money. We will still try to have fun. Which one of the fanboys completes the sentence? Choose your answers now. Time is going. Time is up, and the answer is but. We don't have much money, but we will still try to have fun. We brought a beach ball. We want to play water polo. Which one of the fanboys is the answer? The answer is 4. Roger doesn't like to swim. Does he like surfing? Which one of the fanboys completes this sentence? And the answer is nor. Nor does he like surfing. Let's do another one. I always take a book to the beach. I never seem to turn a single page. Which fanboy completes this sentence? The answer is yet. I always take a book to the beach, yet I never seem to turn a single page. Great job, guys! To learn more about other parts of speech, check out my playlist, The Parts of Speech. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye!